तो खाते सभी में
Okay, good morning, kids. How are you? How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, kids, let's start our class. Come on. So, we start our class with welcome song. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Okay, so kids, now today we'll sing We Shall Overcome. Okay, start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. All right, kids. Now, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Saturday. And the date is 24 July 2021. 24 July 2021. Okay, and the day is Saturday. So come on, kids. Now let's start our class. So get your drawing book, your sketchbook. Come on, open it and write down today's date, 24/7/2021. So why we had written 7 here? Because July is the 7th month. That's why instead of July, we have written 7 here. So write down today's date. And mothers, you kindly write down the heading, pencil shaving activity. Mothers, you write down the heading, pencil shaving activity. Okay, write down the heading, pencil shaving activity. Then let me know, we'll start our activity then. Shall we start now? Mothers, you kindly write down the heading, pencil shaving activity. Then kids, take your pencil. Take your pencil. Then ma'am is drawing here and you have to draw in your book. All right. Now, okay kids, come on. Now be ready with your pencil. So, first of all, we have to draw one flower pot. हमें सबसे पहले क्या बनाना है? एक वाज बनाना है, एक फ्लावर पॉट बनाना है. Okay, so first of all, you draw two slanting lines. आप दो slanting lines बनाओ. Before slanting line, make one oval. यहाँ पर आपको एक ओवल बनाना है एंड देन 2 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस. ठीक है. Yes. Then after making this, 2 more slanting lines in the opposite direction you have to make and 1 sleeping line. Use the lines and the shapes to make one figure. Okay. You have to make one oval, slanting lines, then again slanting line in the opposite direction, outward direction, and then sleeping line. ओके. फर्स्ट मेक अ ओवल. इस तरह से आपको एक ओवल बनाना है. देन 2 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस, 2 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस अगेन इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन. Flower pot you have to make. Okay. Now make 2 sleeping lines in the middle. आपको बीच में 2 sleeping lines बनानी है in this way. All right. And then make one standing line, then slanting lines in this way. Make one standing line. You can use green color also, green crayon, and 2 slanting lines. Okay. Now, done up to here. Okay, take your time, आराम से करो. First, you have to make an oval, 2 slanting lines, then slanting lines in the opposite direction as well, and 1 sleeping line. And उसके बाद 1 standing line and 2 slanting lines. ठीक है? Now, get the 2 color glaze paper, Fevicol with you. Look, now I'll show you. Okay, so kids, you have to apply Fevicol here. आपको आपके फिगर में यहाँ ऊपर एंड यहाँ नीचे फेविकॉल लगाना है. ओके, यू हैव टू अप्लाई फेविकॉल हियर एंड हियर. लीव द मिडिल पार्ट. लीव द मिडिल पार्ट. जो हमने बीच में लाइंस करी उनको छोड़ देना. सिर्फ हियर एंड हियर यू हैव टू अप्लाई. ओके, अप्लाई सम फेविकॉल. Okay. So apply Fevicol here. Spread it evenly. Okay. Apply Fevicol here and here. Now we have to do paper tearing pasting activity here. अब आपके पास जो 2 ग्लेस पेपर हैं उनमें से कोई भी एक ग्लेस पेपर लो. And you have to tear it and paste it. Okay, take the glaze paper, tear it and paste it. Tear it and paste. Okay. Come on. Take any one glaze paper and apply Fevicol and then do tearing pasting activity there. In this way. Okay. All right. Look, I'll show you as well. In this way, apply Fevicol and you have to do the tearing pasting activity. Okay, so kids, now apply some Fevicol in the middle part also and take another color glaze paper and then stick it here. Stick. Okay, you can take 2 colors, 3 colors, it's up to you. You can make it more beautiful by adding more colors. All right, stick. In this way. Tear the paper and stick it. All right, in this way, complete it. I'm using 2 colors. If you want, you can take more colors, make it more beautiful, use your imagination and creativity. It's for just for showing you this. Hannah, you can add some more if you want. Yes, Tirth, very good. Okay. So in this way, complete it. Tear the paper and stick it here. Look, it's completed now. Look, I'll show you. Yes, Nitya. Ishita, good. Nitya, good. Teerth, good. Padmanabh, very nice. Very good, everyone. Okay, very good, Parishi. Nice. Chalo. Now we'll move further. अब हम आगे बढ़े. Okay. So now get your pencil and one sharpener. One pencil and one sharpener. Up kids, now pay attention here. So we want pencil shaving. Yes, Unnati, very nice. So take your pencil and sharpener. Now आपको इसको sharp करना है. आप sharp करो जब तक आपके पास पूरा एक round circle ना मिल जाए shaving का. Look, बीच में से इसे तोड़ना नहीं है हमें. Look. In this way. Okay. Then we want 3-4 this kind of. Then apply some Fevicol. आपने जो lines करी है, stems बनाई है, apply some Fevicol there and stick it. Stick it in place of flower. Look. Kids, look. Apply, mothers, you apply some Fevicol and ask kids to stick everything. All right, you can stick 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4, how many you want, है ना? Come on. Sharpen the pencil. Then take out the shaving, pencil shaving. Very good teeth, just wait. Then apply some Fevicol there about the stem which we had made. हमने जो standing lines और slanting lines बनाई थी green color से. Apply here and stick it. Stick. Come on. We'll need some more. Apply some Fevicol and stick it in place of the flowers. Look everyone, how beautiful it is looking. Look. It's up to you. You can stick 2 flowers, 3 flowers. You can make it more beautiful. Apply, if you want, you can apply kundan here in the middle of the flower. Okay. Now, अब यहाँ पर we can stick some more. We can stick some more pencil shaving. Okay. This time आपको pencil shaving को छोटे-छोटे टुकड़ों में करना है divide. You have to divide it into small pieces and stick it like this. In this way. Look. Look, everyone. Then after completing it, outline the flower pot, the flower vase with black sketch pen. Okay? All right, kids. In case of any doubt, kindly ask me. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, or if you want me to repeat anything, so kindly ask me. Yes, Tirth, show. Now we'll end our class. Anything else? Anyone want to ask? All right, kids. Now join your hands together. All right. Now let's say the thank you prayer. Start. The school is over for us today. Done our work. Done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. Okay, kids. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy Sunday. Bye, everyone. Take care. We'll meet in our next class. Bye-bye.